Alrighty, Sharp Customs, man, we're rolling. It is a freaking cold Thursday. I thought I would bring the new chassis for the hot rod over to the parking lot. We got the big tires on it. I brought over another set of wheels that are a bit smaller. And I don't have the leaf spring in it yet. I got the double servos hooked up for the brake, the throttle. We've got fuel in it. It's hot. I got a cam muffler that I stole off one of the other cars. And we want to kind of keep this one a little short, so I'm going to run it with the big wheels. And then I should be able to fire the smaller wheels on. And I'll discuss that kind of as we go. Let's fire it up. So this car, or at least the gearbox, had a fibrous disc for the brake. It was no good. I ended up making a stainless one. So I can tell right away that either that motor is really gutless, because it'll spin, but it will only spin in the sand. I'm curious to see what the smaller wheels will do. So let's slap the small wheels on it. Only take a second. I did check the gear ratio. I'm thinking we got to do this. We might not even get an attempt here, because the parking lot is starting to fill up. Maybe we'll get a little run in. Hopefully we get a little run in. Yeah, I got a stainless disc on here, which is working great. That took me a couple hours to. It basically slides onto a hex, kind of like this, but a little smaller. And you know, kind of tricky to create a hex. Basically, all I could do was kind of scribe it out on the piece of stainless. There we go. Yeah, scribe it out and then drill the biggest hole I could drill in it, and then file it into a hex until it fit on there. But yeah, I'm just curious. I want to try the smaller wheels just to see if there's even a difference. Oh yeah, big difference. So those big wheels really grab. tell the difference in the sound. It just got a little more oomph with the little bit smaller diameter wheel. That motor could be, you know, it's just a little G23. I could put it actually handles pretty darn good. And I noticed, so I put the small wheels on it, so that gave me a little bit more caster in the front end, and I'm noticing I'm not getting quite as much push on the steering. Its turning radius is a little bit better. Kind of interesting. Yeah, my front wheels are wobbling a little bit. Oh, can we make it? Can we make it? Oh, there we go. Nice, it shut off itself. Well, there you have it, man. It was just a little test I wanted to do with the new chassis. I do like those big wheels. It goes a lot better, and I have a second option. The second option being pulling that motor out of it and putting a 30.5 cc in it, which would really give it, you know, a big jump in cc. And I still might do that because I just ordered some new stuff. I actually ordered another set of wheels for it, which are on-road wheels, and I did order a 30.5 cc engine, even though I have one, you know, back at HQ. You know, because I want this thing to be able to do killer donuts, and right now it won't do the killer donuts with even these small wheels, which are pretty much slicks. It won't do donuts at all with those, you know, the bigger wheels. So what I'm thinking we're probably going to swap out that little G23 for 30, and when I get the new rear tires in about a week and a half, because, you know, they're on a slow boat from you know where, we'll slap those on it and we'll try it again. By then I should have a little bit more work done. You know, I should have the leaf spring in the chassis. Right now I got a piece of wood just kind of taped in place to give me my height. But yeah, the smaller wheels, they most certainly affect the you know, because when you raise the back, obviously what you're doing is you're moving that I-beam forward, and I actually have it shimmed with a couple of washers to give me a little bit more degrees. So with the smaller wheels, it's steering awesome. Other than, yeah, I got to take up a little bit of the wobble, which a washer or something like that will work fine. But yeah, there you have it, man. You might actually get a double shot tonight, because I got some more stuff to show you on this build, and a continuation of that crazy milk canopy that I've been working on. So hope you all come back later. Hopefully we get the double shot in, and for now my hands are freezing. I'm gonna say love you all. You know the routine. Peace. Johnny's out.